Fix controller not working in Epic Games. I'm going to tell you how to fix a controller that's not working in Epic Games. First, make sure your controller is properly connected, whether via USB or Bluetooth. Check that it works in other games or on system to rule out hardware issues. Next, open Big Picture mode in Steam if you're using it, and check your controller configuration. Steam might override Epic settings, so disabling Steam input for non-Steam games can help. And then launch Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Go to your games folder, right-click the exe file, and do the same. Run as admin. Sometimes permission issues block input. Check in-game settings too. Some Epic titles require you to manually enable controller support in settings. If you're still having issues, go to Device Manager, uninstall the controller under Human Interface Devices, and then reconnect it to Force and Fresh Install. Lastly, if you're using DS4 Windows for PlayStation controllers, ensure it's updated and running properly in the background.